Hey, what's up everybody? I'm in a 2024 Kia Sportage. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. We're going to be using these buttons over here, this menu button, and then this up and down, and then if you want to hit enter, you push this down and it's the OK/enter button. So I'm going to go ahead and get closer to the dash, and when I say hit the menu button, I'm talking about this button right here. Okay, hit the menu button and you'll see this little option move around up here. Go until you get to the gear, and then you're going to go down to convenience and push the OK. And then you got service interval and oil change reminder. So go to oil change reminder, hit OK, and then I'll tell you how much life you have left. This one says 52. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. It says reset oil life. Yes, oil life has been reset. Now real quick to go back, if you go to service interval, you could put enable service interval, and then you could kind of put in your own mileage or months, whatever you personally like. You just go in here and do it, and then set it. And that's how you do that. So, and then just hit the menu button to go back to the regular menu, and you can go back to where you like to be, and that's it. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is they're really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GuillermoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.